Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Breadfast, Groceries and More app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Breadfast is a grocery and essentials delivery app designed to make daily shopping faster and more convenient. The app allows users to order groceries, fresh bakery items, fruits, vegetables, cleaning products, and other household essentials delivered straight to their doorstep. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering same-day and scheduled deliveries to ensure your essentials arrive right when you need them. The app's main feature is its fast delivery service, which allows users to receive fresh bread, milk, and groceries early in the morning. Breadfast focuses on quality, freshness, and reliability, providing locally sourced products and a smooth delivery experience. Users can browse categories, add items to their cart, and track orders in real time, all within a few taps. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Breadfast's reliable timing, clean packaging, and high-quality products. It's especially loved for its early morning delivery option and fresh bakery selection. However, some users have mentioned occasional stock shortages, limited coverage in certain areas, or slightly higher prices compared to local markets. Despite these, the overall experience remains smooth and time-saving. In summary, the Breadfast app may be worth using if you value convenience, fresh groceries, and doorstep delivery without visiting the store. However, if you live outside its service zones or prefer in-person shopping for price comparison, it might not be as beneficial. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.